Durga Puja, the Durga Puja has been here for the last 50 years. Now, this time they wanted to, my lord, make a record. They decided to build up a Durga Pratima of 112 feet, which will break the record.
Who will make?
These organizers, they will build up a Pratima to the height of 112 feet.
No, you are not for the organizer.
I am for the organizers.
Yes.
Now, my lord, it has been intimated to the UNESCO, intimated to the, my lord, the Google authorities, who, my lord, puts it, my lord, the Guinness Book of Record, everything is done. Structure is complete. Now, just a few days back, my lord, this my complaint that the Honorable Chief Minister in a meeting said, I have come to learn that there is going to be a puja, which is going to break the record, should not be allowed to be held.
Well, I object to that.
I say,
I object to that. Yes.
I welcome his objection.
No, place your case, but don't take the name of the Japanese.
I have
Mr. Banerjee will be making your submission.
that this is the averment. Thereafter, my lord, the police goes to the spot. My lord stops us from doing anything. I'll show the photography of the police. Kindly comes to page 53.
Page
53. The police, my lord, is in front of the structure, preventing my persons to, my lord, carry on with the pandal. I can show you the better copies. These are your side. But everything is done, and what prevents the police and other authorities to stop the puja?
So did you obtain the permission? Because permission is necessary for holding this. For holding this
My lord,
from the authorities, you have to take
my
permission.
lord, since this is not a new puja, I tell you,
Yes.
this is a puja which
Every year it is to be renewed. Permission is
But
to be renewed.
we have got, my lord, the sanction of the electricity authorities, paid the money. Kindly come to, my lord, page.
No, what is the procedure which is being practiced
We have
every year?
my lord, we have
You have to obtain the fire as well as other
we have
clearances.
obtained everything.
Then you have to obtain a permission from the local
My
administration.
lord, they always allow me to carry on, no problem. My lord,
So did you obtain that permission
Well,
from
that's
this
not-
year?
my lord, I have intimated them, no refusal.
Where is that? Where is the intimation?
Kindly come to page 26. My lord, it is in the month of January. In application for asking Durga Puja permission, humble
No,
submission.
not
that-
January. It's September.
Sorry,
not
sorry,
September.
Inform উপরে 01 লেখা থাকে। We are going to celebrate our Durga Puja like as
This
before.
letter was on 3rd of
3rd
September.
of September. That's
Yes.
Our
So
puja is
you,
going to.
you applied for permission.
Yes.
No reply.
No reply, no refusal. I went on, my lord, with the structure. Kindly see the, my lord, the structure which has come up.
Yes, Mr. Banerjee, what is the fate of this application?
And what is the basic reason for objection? I want to know it from the state.
What is the fate? This application was made on 3rd of September 2024. So what is the procedure for holding this?
procedure is the blood. So far as the blood, the height of the idol.
No, no, no.
No,
That-
height of
that
idol.
is- that is
No, they said,
no. The organizers have to apply for
Apply.
permission.
yes.
Along with what? What are the documents? What are the clearances?
Yes.
What are required?
That's
What
fire-
is the clearances?
Okay, this is the report. Everything blood we have stated in the report. Fire license and everything.
No. So what is your objection?
No
Yes.
objection, my lord.
They do not have any of the requisite permissions from other authorities.
No, not only that. Not only that. It's a blood road of 14 feet. Safety security blood, your lordship knows very well.
No,
But
but
the
one thing, safety security,
2015, my lord, kindly allow me. 2015, the blood, the Deshopriya Park, the stamp and blood, I have taken that report also. Blood, ultimately on Sosti, my lord, the entire,
no, you have refused permission.
not,
Where is that?
no, blood, refusal, blood.
Mr. Banerjee, when an application has
My
been
lord,
filed,
my lord,
they are required to take permission from a
my lord,
competent
my lord,
authority,
my lord.
along with maybe A,
So
B,
far as
C
the blood,
clearances from different authorities. They have to apply before
my
you.
lord,
This is a document which Mr. Bhattacharjee refers to, that they have applied.
yes.
And this bears, did you receive this application?
Blood, I do not know. I don't have any instructions.
No, that they have received, that is also
Any document to show that?
page 44. Page 44.
Page 44.
Yes, my lord.
The service,
Yes, service.
service,
Ah.
Yes,
service.
all right. So,
Whether
Mr.
receipt of-
Banerjee, what is your instruction on this page 26? Permission, if you have refused, kindly intimate them the reasons for refusal.
My lord,
That I
They are
can tell you.
entitled to know why their permission,
my lord,
why
my
their
lord, my lord.
Permission, prayer has
I'm
been
not-
refused or
whether-
allowed.
Whether this has been received or not, kindly ask them to make a fresh application.
Why fresh application,
But
Mr. Banerjee? You
whether-
can, Mr. Banerjee, you can take
Yes, if your lordship
instructions.
direct.
Mr. Bhattacharya is saying the document is at page 44.
My lord.
So kindly take instructions
We
whether
have take, we have kindly come to page 50. The electricity board has given us the permission, we have paid everything.
no, no, no.
Like
Not
That is-
electricity.
that is
like
from the
every-
other authorities.
No,
So ultimate
Well,
permission is to be
ultimate
given
safety
by the
and
district.
security of the people.
Mr. Banerjee has come out with those little else boys that they apprehend stampede.
Yes, that's right.
That is the submission from the bar.
Yes.
So there is
Not
nothing.
submission from the bar. My lord, it's on instruction, what I'm saying.
No, no, no. Mr. Banerjee, did you intimate them
My,
the reasons
my lord.
that for A, B, C
Because
reasons,
already one
I
instance.
have
yeah.
refused your permission. You are not entitled for reason A, B, C. Where is that?
My lord, kindly, my lord.
Tomorrow?
No, my lord, your lordship, kindly dispose it of, I shall consider it and take a decision.
No
Then-
disposal, no disposal.
So then,
Let them come out with the
today we are
disposal.
at 25th, 27th. Take a decision, come back on 27th.
Now, that if it is not,
Mr. Banerjee, yes or no permission, whether you grant or refuse,
My-
they are entitled to know.
My lord,
And if you take any steps, they are entitled to challenge. If it is
My
in
lord,
their
my
favor,
lord,
they can act
lord.
on that. They are entitled to
My lord,
challenge.
my lord.
So now
that they are
the
just
only few days left before
Yes,
the
yes.
puja vacation. So you
by
have,
halfway construction, my lord.
yes, so you have instructions with you, nothing communicated. So reasons are with you. Communicate them the reasons.
Now,
My
only I tell you, Mr. Raj, you'll agree with me, because they are apprehending stampede. That is the ground.
No,
Let them
not only
communicate,
that,
Mr.
not only
That
No,
they
no, no.
communicate without non-official.
All my landed senior friends know.
Yes, yes, they have
That
told
Lord,
us.
on
I'm
one
keeping
hand,
it-
he's saying. we
Mr.
have not
Banerjee,
been
I'm
informed.
keeping it on 27th. So
They have told us verbally.
27th, you can communicate your decision before that to the petitioner.
27th, but today is 25th.
25th, yes. Tomorrow you are getting the entire day.
Yes.
According to you, you have instructions. You are saying stampede occurred in 2015 in Deshopriyo Park. This
Yes.
is a road of 14 feet.
Yes, everything is with him.
So everything is with you, available with you. So it must be, and you are making submissions on the basis of the instructions of the authorities.
My lord.
So they must be aware of this. So
Let
let
it be
them
tomorrow.
communicate the reasons by tomorrow. I'm keeping it on 27th.
My lord.
Instead of 27th, will it be on Tuesday? First,
Mr. Tuesday,
No, but then we,
1st of October, Mr. Banerjee, we are closing on 8th.
are
Kindly
close-
consider that. If they are allowed, then they have to make the necessary, the other things, they have to complete those. If not, they are entitled to take steps in accordance
no,
with
but
law.
kindly visualize, this will be that international slot. UNESCO has prepared their team. They say we are sending team to examine your claim. Now I have to complete everything.
That is why. So they have to, if they are allowed, they have to
submissions
conclude.
from the
If
bar.
not,
Petition
Yes.
পড় না।
Yeah, পড়েছি,
Petition না পড়ে কথা বলছি।
পড়েছি,
আহ,
পড়েছি।
আসুন,
আপনাকে
আসুন।
কেউ বলেনি যে আমরা যাচ্ছি।
আহ,
কেউ বলেনি যে আমরা যাচ্ছি।
এটা তো বোধহয়
And Lord, kindly be Lord, direct to consider
Oh, this is
independently.
relating to Justice Bharadwaj
No question of
determination.
Yes,
This is relating to Justice Bharadwaj. So I'm posting it 27th before the regular bench.
But if it is development seats, otherwise also can't take it up.
Mr. Bhattacharya,
Pilot
the difficulty is determination is only for today.
Yes.
So I cannot take it up.
No,
This-
if the determination continues, Lordship kindly,
If the continues, I'm directing before the regular bench. If that determination continues, it will come. Otherwise,
the পাঠার আমি বলতে পারি না।
no, no, no. This matter was mentioned
তাহলে
today
এখানে
at
হবে,
the first sitting of the court.
যদি ভরতদাস না
citing-
বলে এখানে হবে।
Grave urgency. Stop. Considering the prayer for urgency, this matter was directed to appear in the supplementary list. And the learned advocate for the petitioner was also directed to serve notice upon the learned advocate appearing for the state. Stop. Accordingly, this matter has been taken up. This matter has been taken up. Full stop. Mr. Bhattacharya, learned senior counsel, representing the petitioner, submits that the petitioner organize, you are the organization or,
The organizer.
but No, it's
Secretary of the Milord Organizing Committee.
submits that the petitioner is the secretary of the organizing committee, which is performing Durga Puja every year
For last
for
50
the
years.
last
50 years.
50 years. 50,
55.
55 for the last 55 years. Full stop. He further submits that as per the procedure, the petitioner has obtained requisite permission from the
Applied
different
for.
on and from October 8, 2024. This court directs the district magistrate Nodia district to communicate the
Take
decision,
decision and will communicate.
to communicate the decision with regard to the prayer made by the petitioner for permission to hold Durga Puja.
By tomorrow.
That is the area you have not specified in the application, nothing.
Yes, yes.
Where is that?
Permission.
Will you kindly come to page,
Page-
Permission.
I have given a Milord site plan, page 25.
Page 25.
The site plan is at page
Site plan
25.
is very vague, Mr.
No, Milord, we have said what the
Nothing,
entry,
nothing mentioned, plot number, nothing.
Oh. Milord, that is mentioned in the connecting
But in
application.
this case map, vague, absolutely vague.
Because of this vagueness, because of the authority Milord said, carry on, no problem. But the problem came only after
But
the
the
honorable chief.
difficulty is that I cannot
Milord,
refer
I-
to this
Milord,
paper.
Lordship, kindly record, Milord, I'm
Milord, Milord, I say you deny this if possible.
Vijay,
Milord, the hon-
every respect to my majesty,
Milord, the hon-
but don't take the name of the person.
Banerjee, don't quarrel inside the.
But why?
This,
Why? Each and every matters, Milord, now they are adopting the names of the government, names of the.
Yes,
Milord, chief minister is not a name in the office.
Banerjee, you are aging.
I'm 18, he also crossed my age.
No, Milord,
Kindly consider.
kindly come to page 27.
27 years.
স্ট্রাকচারের
You want to politicize.
স্ট্রাকচারের সাথে দাঁড় করানো হবে সেটি মোট 40 বিঘা ক্লাব
No, where is the plot number? Any specification where nothing has been mentioned anywhere?
না না
Absolutely
প্লট
vague.
নাম্বার বলছে প্লট
আচ্ছা, কি বললাম? কি বলে?
প্লট ওষুধ বাড়ি কথা Milord,
And
we
that
have
is
also
not
given
24
Milord
Give me a minute, otherwise the order. Mr. Bhattacharya, kindly give me a minute. Hello?
Milord, you have said it is Milord on 40 বিঘা
Or with regard to
upon
the prayer
40
for
বিঘা land. And
This
you
year.
have also said that
this
the
year. Full stop.
visitors will be allowed to stay 120 feet away.
It will be open to the said authority to call upon the petitioner if the authority, if the authority finds it necessary for the purpose of ascertaining the exact location where
Yes.
the
No,
puja
but the
will be.
police is there. Kindly see the photograph. Lordship need not be troubled.
Photograph the exact location.
No, no, the location where Milord, the
You kindly go there. If they want, they will inform you.
Milord, they will not, because Milord, they are under the pressure from the hierarchy. I have made a very categorical statement.
Let them,
Kindly
let
read the
them
submission
commu-
and allow me to
communicate the
file
decision.
affidavit.
Kindly see Milord the photograph. The
Allow me
police
to
is,
file affidavit.
the police should be
Under
the
what authority Milord is saying?
কি বললাম?
paragraph 15 by God.
Perform. The, and the pandal to be erected.
And it is already Milord under election process. They should not Milord stop us from doing that.
বললাম, the
আরে যে মুখ্যমন্ত্রী এক কথা বলে পরে বলে বলিনি সেই মুখ্যমন্ত্রী আছে কথা
সেই মুখ্যমন্ত্রী কাজ করছে দেশে আমাদের মুখ্যমন্ত্রী কি করে গেছে সেটা দেখুন
full stop. The petitioner
না না ওর সাথে ঝগড়া করছে
আহ,
কাল but
by
tomorrow 12
5
noon.
PM,
5 p.m. kind. Well, let it be by 3 p.m. tomorrow.
by 3 PM, can you do that?
5 p.m. is right.
Let it be 5 PM, I'm posting it on 27.
Well, 5 p.m. they
I'm
will
not-
say office. There was no employee to do this. But we are
I've said by.
Bye.
By.
by
So
And only
if they
because-
say
make
it
it
is
four.
closed,
Only
Make it
because your
four.
lordship
Make it
kindly kindly,
Take it forward.
kindly, my lord, kindly
Mr.
record.
Banerjee,
No, pay,
4 PM,
no.
4 PM.
Whatever you.
How long your
I
office
leave
is
it to- I
open?
leave it to your lordship.
4 PM.
But only, my lord, kindly record. your
List this
pay.
matter on 27th of September 2024 before the regular bench, subject to the convenience of his lordship.
My lord, only,
No,
my
my lord,
lord,
only one,
The convenience of the,
my lord,
No, I will
kindly,
be-
kindly allow me, my lord. Page 25, the sketch map, they are, my lord, annexed, they have annexed here. Lordship, kindly see the road shows, my lord, 24 feet.
communicate টা হচ্ছে 26 তারিখ কালকে
তারাও না,
কালকে
ছুটিও না।
26 তারিখ কমিউনিকেট করবে টু দ্য পিটিশনার টুমরো যেটা টুমরোটা বলেনি সেটা টুমরো বলে ব্র্যাকেটের ডেটটা দিয়ে দেবেন কালকে আর লিস্ট দিস ম্যাটার অন 27 বিফোর
Only, my lord, and
My lord, because-
kindly hear me.
আমি একটু বলে নি দাদা।
না, দাঁড়ান, আপনি একটা রং ইয়ে দিয়েছেন।
yes
Page 25.
Well, how could you
Yes.
come wrong with it without
Yes.
instruction?
Lord, the road is 14 feet. Lord,
that I've recorded that
Then,
yes,
my lord,
sufficient.
kindly record one line subject to correction.
Yes,
Lord, the district magistrate will take decision independently because your lordship has not gone into the merit.
yes.
That indicates that he was actually not
Sir,
independent.
Banerjee,
Everything he is.
if you want, I can record that.
Eh,
But whether it go well, if I say that the district magistrate will act independently, what does it mean? If you want, I can record that in the order.
Your lordship,
District magistrate has to act independently.
yes, my lordship,
So
otherwise,
if you want,
no,
I
your
can put it,
lordship,
but
your lordship has said,
what signal will
no,
go to
your
the-
lordship, earlier occasion says, Lord, in earlier paragraph, that the permission and or refusal.
Yes,
Then your lordship kindly record that in the last line also, granting permission and or refusal.
no, his application is for grant.
Ah.
And you have said those are the factors to
No,
be
take
considered.
decision. Your lordship has said take decision for grant of permission. That's that
Take
is, my lordship.
take decision. কি
on the
ওটা কি বলেছে?
application. Lordship cannot say the refusal or permission.
Yes,
On the
lordship has-
application.
যেটা বলেছি তো কমিউনিকেট দ্য ডিসিশন ওই লাইনটা একটু পড়ুন তো একটু জোরে জোরে পড়ুন দি ডিস্ট্রিক্ট ম্যাজিস্ট্রেট ইজ ডাইরেক্টেড টু টেক আ ডিসিশন যেটা বলছে ওই লাইনটা একটু সেন্টেন্সটা একটু জোরে জোরে পড়ুন got to the prayer made by the
Ah, that's the
I've
application.
said prayer
prayer for grant of permission.
prayer is so you can take a decision either way.
That is why your lordship
That's
kindly make it
what-
clear.
So,
Otherwise, my lord,
Well,
prayer is for I've said to take a decision with regard to the prayer. I've not said allow the prayer. Take a decision with regard to the prayer.
well, I will make a very humble Lord, prayer for interim order. Now, police is resisting us, Lord, to
no,
construct
I
the
am not
pandas.
to stick to that.
Lord, that should
No,
be, Lord.
that is sufficient from the bar. That is
Uh,
sufficient
No, no,
from the
not
bar.
bar petition.
No, sufficient from the bar.
Wait
Then,
for
Lord, I
a
shall
day,
file affidavit.
because tomorrow they will
Yes, I
communicate.
shall file affidavit.
27,
আমাকে ওগুলো দেবেন একটা।
are you carrying on
Yes.
the construction of the
Yes,
pandal?
can you see the photograph?
Saib,
The police, Lord, is now,
No, my lord, then,
Having-
then,
having
my lord, I shall
constant
file
what?
affidavit.
All right.
I shall file affidavit.
Don't extend the,
No.
don't
Lord, we
expand,
shall,
do
we
it
shall,
within that.
the structure should
Don't-
be completed, no
Yes,
extension.
don't extend the
Then-
periphery of,
Fine second.
Then, my lord,
Kindly
it
record.
amounts to grant permission.
How can,
No, my lord,
I'm not that, Mr. Banerjee kindly
how can the
consider,
police?
Oh,
I'm
no.
not allowing at their own risk,
Yes.
but they will not be allowed to extend any further.
Then, my lord, your lordship, only one day, nothing will not happen. Lordship, kindly fix it tomorrow, then tomorrow at 5
What
p.m.
is it,
Yes.
tomorrow,
Tomorrow
Kindly
5 p.m. Your lordship, kindly fix it.
Be quoted.
Up to 4 yes. Just-
then you communicate by 2 PM,
Yes, kindly take it.
communicate by 2 PM, I'm
Take it at
after
4
2 PM.
4 p.m.
You communicate by 2 PM,
3.
Yes, yes.
because they must know that they must be,
Communicate by 3 p.m. Lordship, kindly fix it in 4 p.m.
Mr. Banerjee, they have to get some time to get prepared there. You will communicate to the client, the client will communicate to the advocate. Advocate will so communicate by 2 PM. I'm directing this matter to be placed tomorrow.
Yes. তাই করে দিন সবচেয়ে ভালো।
But Mr.